Welcome back to our tutorials. This is use case number 3 where I'm building AI agents for enterprises. We are building competitor analysis tool. Today I'm going to show you demo of LangChain plus Grok plus Discord. It's extremely crucial to build an autonomous AI agent which can talk to your Discord server. So we can use LangChain's reasoning capabilities and Discord's massive community reach. The idea was to build a bot that just doesn't respond to commands but acts as a fully functional team member. Let's get started. If you like demo, please hit that like button. Have doubts, comment, want to learn, subscribe, and you know what all to do, right? Let's jump into the demo. Alright, so before I show you the demo, a quick word on what we are doing. We'll start a SEO request analysis and we are using our processor. If you're following this series, you would know the processor we are using is called Grok. That is our API. And we are using a model here, which is basically Llama model, open source, free one, 3.3 70B versatile. That's what I'm using as part of the AI model. Once the model generates the SEO and JSON text, we can then verify whether our integrations are enabled. In my case, if you see, I'm driving everything from config. Just here, if I change it to true, it will be enabled and will be pushed. That being said, in our case, right now we expect it to go to Discord. And let me show you here. I have my Discord server, which is open here. And now we are going to run our application and get the data right inside our Discord community bot. Right, so 30 seconds more. In the meanwhile, hit that like button to continue supporting me. Alright, so I'm going to the documentation and we have something called start research analysis, basically analyze. So I'm going here and click on try it out. This is the Swagger endpoint demos or document endpoints that are inbuilt into Fast API. So here is what we have to pass. It expects a URL basically. So let's go ahead and get some news from OpenAI. Okay, so let's say this is the URL and I'll close it. I just copied the URL. I'm going to pass it here and execute. And now you can see that that value has already come into our bot here. You see here, right? Just now we ran and it came up with the exact summary and summarized bullet list point using the Grok AI. It also generated the badges and the URL that we worked for. Let me show you one more and I'll keep it this time, this one open. Let's say Bitcoin. If you want to search for say Bitcoin news, let's say this one. And now I'm going back to my endpoint, go here and click on the URL, pass it and execute, and I'm coming back to my Discord and see US and Israel strike Iran, Bitcoin plummets below 64,000. So it went all the way to Grok. Grok did the summarization using the AI Llama model and then we integrated it back into our Discord server. For Discord, what have we done? If I have to quickly show you the code. So here I'm building a structure that the payload basically that Discord server expects us, and then we are getting a summary bullet list from Grok analysis, AI analysis, and then this is the payload that Discord expects, and then we are pushing it directly into the client. Also in my environment I have the Discord webhook URL, which is what is used. You will have your own if you are building one. So this was the demo of how to use LangChain with Grok and finally sending that AI summarized model data to Discord. This is an AI agent, autonomous AI agent, which is doing all the background research work, summarization, and also pushing it to your communities via a bot. Extremely helpful use case if you want to create custom tools on top of Discord. I hope you liked the demo. Please hit that like button. Have doubts, comment, want to learn, subscribe, want one-on-one training or consultation, email me. Thank you so much. In the next episode, I'm going to show you your favorite tool, Slack. You can push the same data to Slack as well. and inform the business stakeholders about the recent happening, any competitor changes, etc. So join me in the next episode where we'll integrate Slack application. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.